If you're building a high horsepower car like Project Grandma, a 1979 Malibu powered by a 555 Edelbrock crate engine that makes over 1,000 horsepower, replacing the stock rear end isn't an option, it's a requirement. Follow along as we take you to Curry Enterprises to build one of their brand new fabricated Ford 9-inch rear ends, the Curry F9. Let's start by taking a look at the F9 housing, the first fully fabricated 9-inch housing Curry has ever offered, made from 3/16-inch thick high-form steel. It is available both in bolt-in versions, complete with stock suspension mounting points like our G-Body Malibu, but also in race versions for 4 links and ladder bars. As with any Curry 9-inch, the entire housing can be custom built for overall width and pinion offset specifications. Curry claims that this brand new F9 housing is the strongest 9-inch they have ever produced and designed for high horsepower applications due to its overall strength versus a traditional 9-inch housing. The F9 uses the same steel for the third member mounting face, which serves as the foundation for the entire rear end. Curry uses welded-in bulkheads inside the housing centre that tie the face, the body and the inner ends of the axle tubes all together. The Curry F9 is strong, but it's also designed to be an affordable upgrade for the standard 9-inch Ford. Along with the F9, Curry set us up with 3-inch axle tubes with a machined flat spot on one side of the inner end of the tube, which allows it to key into the inner bulkhead before being welded for extra support. They also offer 3¼ axle tubes if you prefer. For the Malibu, we specified an overall housing width of 56 inches and asked Curry to add the upper and lower control arm mounts needed for the TRZ G-Body suspension. In addition, you can see that we added a back brace to our housing, needed because of the fact that our Malibu is going to be making well over 1,000 horsepower. While it might not seem like much, this back brace was custom sized to ensure it would not conflict with any of the rear suspension and provides even more holding power to our already sound rear end. Now that we've covered the F9 housing, let's take a look at the internals. Curry assembled the entire third member at their facility in Orange County. Key parts included the brand new Curry 9 Plus nodular iron race case. Cast from extra strength nodular iron, Curry precision machines these cases to original OEM specifications. It is a brand new manufactured unit, not a salvage yard rebuild. Inside the race case, Curry installed a set of 389 Pro gears, a 40-spline Curry 4340 steel spool and a bulletproof 1350 yoke, all designed to take the brunt of 1.3 second 60 foots from our Mickey Thompson drag radials. Moving on to the axles. We got a chance to actually see Curry manufacture our custom Extreme 40-spline units. Curry offers a wide variety of different axles, but for Grandma, we went with their heat-treated forged alloy Extreme axles that accept a 45mm inside diameter bearing designed specifically for drag racing. Curry installed a set of drive studs, 5/8-inch wheel studs in a 5 on 4 3/4 pattern for use with our billet specialties Street Light 15x10 wheels. Once all the individual components were completed, it was time to assemble the rear end. Placing the F9 housing in a custom-built jig, Curry assembled our rear ends in-house to ensure their setup, quality and performance standards were met. They started by installing the completely assembled third member into the housing, followed by the installation of the Curry 40-spline Extreme axles. Finally, TRZ supplied a set of their upper control arm spherical bearings for use on the F9, and Curry was kind enough to install them for us, completing our rear end. It was a quick trip back to Power TV, and we began the process of installing the F9 into our Malibu. We're happy to report that the bolt-in fabricated F9 fit perfectly under the rear end, and we are eagerly awaiting getting the Malibu out of the shop and onto the track where she belongs. That wraps up everything from the Power TV garage. Stay tuned for more segments on our infamous Project Grandma and her brand new Curry 9-inch.